You hear Mac? Hey, buddy. Are you waking up from your nap? Come on out in the family room. Can you do that? Come on out. Get this out of your mouth. I want to hear you laugh. You hear Mac? Is Mac waking up? You hear him? Mama. Tell him, come on, Mac. Come on out here, buddy. Let's see if he comes out. Get this out of your mouth. Are you bouncing? You're bouncing. You're talking too. What's that noise? That's Daddy making noise. Oh, it's okay. That's just Daddy making noise. Here. It's all right. It's okay. That's just Daddy making noise. Let's go get Mac, okay? Say bye-bye.